Hello guys, cooking enthusiasts. Today we are going to talk about the best electric pressure cooker, so stay tuned till the end. These culinary wonders are a complete game changer. Electric pressure cookers are the ultimate time saver, thanks to their steam-powered magic that cooks food faster than ever before. Perfect for busy people and home cooks who want convenience without sacrificing taste. The team at TopFind has listed the top 5 electric pressure cookers after a lot of consideration and has detailed all the electric pressure cooker videos and links from where you can choose the pressure cooker of your choice. Get ready to transform your kitchen experience with this kitchen essential. Number 5. GOWISE 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen with this amazing pressure cooker. Its large oval shape is perfect for cooking big roasts, whole chickens, and more. Imagine the flavor-packed meats that cook up to 70% faster while keeping all those juicy juices locked in. With cool touch handles and an easy open lid, it's a breeze to use. And the best part? Cleanup is a cinch thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick inner pot. But that's not all. You'll also receive a bundle of handy accessories and a recipe book with 50 delicious step-by-step recipes. Plus, GOWISE USA is all about customer satisfaction, offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and unwavering support from their customer care team. Elevate your cooking game today. Number 4. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker 6 Quart. Introducing the future of cooking right in your kitchen. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker is a game-changer with its seamless integration with the Chef IQ app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, granting access to a treasure trove of 600-plus guided cooking recipes and culinary how-to videos. Say goodbye to measuring cups thanks to the built-in scale, making ingredient prep a breeze. Safety and convenience are paramount with the auto pressure release feature, and the guided cooking recipes provide step-by-step video instructions, eliminating the need for timers and temperature settings. With 1,000-plus presets and wireless updates, this cooker evolves with your culinary journey. Plus, it comes with essential accessories, including a steam rack and basket. Elevate your cooking to new heights with Chef IQ. Number 3. COMFEE 6-quart pressure cooker with 12 presets. Experience cooking convenience like never before with our multifunctional wonder. It's a breeze to kickstart your culinary adventures with 12 preset smart programs that cover everything from pressure cooking to yogurt making. This 9-in-1 appliance replaces multiple kitchen gadgets, making it perfect for busy individuals who juggle work, socializing, and more. Plus, we've got your back with electronic customized recipes designed for the modern, active lifestyle. Safety is paramount with 9-in-1 safety features and UL certification. And when it comes to cleanup, the healthy non-stick inner pot is a game changer. With an easy-to-read LED display and user-friendly panel design, cooking has never been this straightforward. Say hello to hassle-free cooking for up to 6 people. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi 10-in-1 6 Quart. Say hello to the Instant Pot Pro Plus, your kitchen's new best friend. With 10-in-1 functionality, it's a true culinary multitasker, from pressure cooking to sous vide. Stay connected and program it wirelessly with the Instant Brands Connect app, boasting over 1,900-plus highly rated smart recipes. Operating this kitchen wizard is a breeze with its large display and sensitive touch controls. Enjoy stress-free steam release via the control panel or the app. Plus, it's a cooking powerhouse with 20% higher power and a premium cookware-grade inner pot, making stovetop transitions seamless. Cleanup is a snap with dishwasher-safe components, and its large capacity is perfect for meal prepping and family dinners. Safety is paramount with over 10 safety features and more. Discover a world of amazing recipes with the free Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android. Elevate your cooking game today. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 3 Quart. Introducing the Instant Pot Duo, the ultimate multitasker for your kitchen. With 7-in-1 functionality, It's a cooking powerhouse that pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, and more. Enjoy instant one-touch cooking with 13 customizable smart programs for all your favorite dishes. Whether you want to cook fast or slow, this pot has you covered, cooking up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe components. Safety is paramount with over 10 safety features, making it perfect for families and singles alike. Plus, discover a world of amazing recipes with the free Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android. Raise your cooking game today. So, which electric pressure cooker do you like? Do give us your valuable feedback in the comments. Also, if you have benefited even a little from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.